What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you guys can help your kid with their homework. So if you are somebody who is not good at maths but you have to actually solve the linear equations, and this is a homework for your kid, so you have to explain it step by step rather than just giving the AI to the kid and ask it to simply copy and paste from the AI won't help him out. So by just giving the exact quotation, you can simply take a picture with your mobile phone and upload it in a chat and ask the Claude, hey Claude, please solve this math equation step by step for me as I'm a 12 or a year old kid. So it goes like this way. It will start solving the equation, making the equations like this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. First, we will find the value of x, then we'll find this value of x. We'll put this value of x in the equation number 2 to find the value of y. Now we have the value of y over here. Now we'll put this value of y back in the equation number 1, and with this we will have the value of x and y, both of these. So we eventually solve the equation. Now after going through these steps, as you are an adult or probably a parent, you will actually know that how this whole process worked out. So by doing this, you will be able to simply give it to your kid and explain it to it, and then you'll be able to help him out in his homework. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.